We shouldn't be here. This obviously should have been up and running. But Senator Keene, I appreciate the fact that you want to get this up and running. I'm a very conservative Republican. But the problem is that the administration has reinvented the wheel on this, and they've invented a wheel with flat sides, and it's not going to go anywhere. And we can say, okay, let's do it. Let's go forward with this just because we need to go forward with this. But they've ignored the letter of the law, they've ignored the spirit of the law, they've ignored the will of the people, they've ignored this legislature, treating it like a less than equal branch of government. And it's time to say stop. Let's stop the whole thing, because if it goes forward the way it is, I'm an attorney, I represent people who want to open alternative treatment centers. If it goes the way it is, we're going to be delivering an inferior product at a higher price that people who do qualify will choose possibly to continue to get it from the street. And these ATC operators who are trying to work within the law are going to put a lot of capital into this. And they're not going to get the kind of volumes that we expect, because patients are going to continue to go to the street. It's not enough to say, let's go forward. But Senator Keene, your vote is very important here. This committee could pass this out without your vote, but that's not enough. You need to listen to the advocates and the patients and the relatives and the people who say, you know what? The law was designed to help me. These regulations aren't going to help me. It's not enough to listen to the one person who was against the law to begin with, to say, okay, yeah, now let's go forward with these regulations. The people who are here, the people who the law was designed to provide compassion to, these people, the people who've worked for years, the people who have jobs who don't have the time to be doing this, these people are saying, you know what, these regulations were drafted in bad faith. They were drafted with blinders on, and you represent the will of the people, and the people have spoken, and this committee has taken the time, more time than we probably ever wanted to spend on it, and we thank you for it. It's not time to just say, okay, let's move forward, because the wheels have flat sides and we ain't going to go nowhere. Let's get it right. Let's tell the governor that it's time to get it right. Let's tell the governor to start listening to the will of the people and the will of the legislature. And I really thank you for your time, and I really thank you for seriously reconsidering what your point of view is on this, and this committee needs your vote on this. Thank you very much.